Hello everyone, ffansi gweld chi yma. Ffansi sy'n yw i. Cyngor Gwynedd yn ymddiheuro am wallau iaith mewn ffurflen, etholiad. Gwynedd Council apologises for language errors in an election form. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif, cant 97. Series 4 and episode number 197. Eiriau. Which words? Okay, everybody. Bawb has become bawb. Vocative use, soft mutation. Dun dun dun. Wallau has become wallau after key preposition am. The key prepositions that cause soft mutation are am, ar, at, dan dros drwy, tan dros drwy, gan, heb, hyd, and I o wrth, all causing soft mutation. What else have we got? Pennod has become phenod, aspirate mutation after the word a, which means and causes 3 letters to mutate. P, T, and C, the letters that make up the phrase. Pat the cat, park the car, post the card, pop the cork, pull the curtains. Okay, moving on. Eiriau. Geiriau has become eiriau after the pa, the word which or what causes soft mutation. So today's episode is going over some of the words that we've been doing over the recent week or so. And it's like a revision lesson, but there's also new stuff and there's older revision as well. So, bit of a mix. So, we've got words in your games. You've got the match, flashcards, and listen for all the words over the past week or so. And then I'm going to go through different prefixes and suffixes. Prefix is a bit of the word that goes before a word when you make a new word, and the suffix is the bit that goes at the end. So we've done some of these. So AF was av, which was a negative prefix, and it's in avreolaidd because avreol means well, against the rules, I suppose. Reol is rule, and yeah. So irregular is that we had that from irregular verbs and stuff. Afiach means ill. Unhealthy. Iach means health, so afiach negates it. Afiechyd, another way of doing ill, health, illness. So it's a kind of negative word, not, non, and that kind of word. Dis. In English, we might say disappear. To appear, disappear, negates it. We might say non-alcoholic instead of alcoholic, so things like that. Unrealistic instead of realistic. These sort of words, they're prefixes in English that negate, and this is one of them in Welsh. AF, av. AD is another prefix, but this time it goes on the front of well, in the words we've given here, verb nouns. So it kind of means to redo something. So adrefni means to organise, and adrefni means to reorganise. So it kind of means the re bit in English, re. So you're doing it again. Adolygu, golygu means to view. Adolygu means revise, review. Look at it again. Review, yeah, redraft. And then we've got ail. Ail is the word for second, the ordinal. And if that's used as a prefix, it means re again or re. So ail drefni, as like ad drefni, means rearrange. That one was more like reorganize or something like rearrange. Ail osod, so gosod means to set something, put something. Ail osod is to put back in its place or replace, reset, reinstall, restore. See all these words: replace, restore, reinstall, then re-establish, relet. Ail osod, that can mean. So that prefix. So there's the ones where there's only a couple of words, I've given you a word table, and the ones where there's a load of them, I'm going to give you the word table and a game to practice them on there. So, and then we've got the word a suffix now, a word that goes at the end. Io. This is all on verb nouns. So loads of words. I won't do them all now, but anghofio, io at the end. Defnyddio, ffurfio, pleidleisio, protestio, gwylio, peidio, cofio, treulio. Yeah, all these words, we know them all. Gweithio, work, dawnsio, dance, licio, like. Diweddio, become engaged. Leicio, to like, stopio, stop, gobeithio, hope, dinistio, destroy. There's loads of them there. Anyway, so you have a look at them, and there's a game for them all. You know, a lot of words now. So they're sinking in. More and more practice. I'm going to be doing one of these revision lessons every so often, every week or so. Right, other endings. Just a U on the end. We see that a lot. Dysgu, prynu, ychwanegu, golygu. Enwebu, ysgrifennu, cysylltu, sicrhau. Huh? No, not that one. That needs to come out. If they end in hi, H-A-U or A-U, it's a different kind of approach. So they shouldn't be in there, them ones. I might forget to take them out, but ignore them. They're just the ones. Just have a U after a consonant. Tynnu, credu, gofalu, gyrru. Cusanu, penderfynu, gweithredu. Awgrymu, adeiladu. There's loads again, end in U. So you get the idea that they're verb nouns, and you can get the idea how the stems are made, and we can do other things. So that's what this is all about, getting you to understand different endings, how we make up words, revise things, and also just see the patterns in it all, you know. Things start to sink in. Games for that then. Right, moving on. Add ending. Just AD at the end. Add. That, like canslad, cancelo is to cancel, canslad is a cancellation. Treiglo is to mutate, or like treigladau is mutations, but treiglad is the mutation. So that's an add ending as well. And then we got iad ending, IAD. And these words are all masculine nouns as well, like the add words, treiglad and canslad were. So masculine nouns, there's loads of these again, so we've been across a lot. Podlediad, syniad, cariad, cymeriad, dwgyddiad, casgliad, cyfrifiad, census, that is calculation, counting, rhediad, run-outing conjugation, dyddiad, the date, performiad, biographiad, biography, all the meanings are there and all the rest of it. Get through them, make sure you know them all. Understand it, that they're all masculine when you see this, and you can understand the plurals as well, so you know, just AU on the end for these ones, and the same with the add ones, just an extra AU on the end for the plural. The usual, that's the standard plural in Welsh, if there is one. AU, opt for that, most of them are that, but you get used to the patterns of where you don't use that as well. That's what we're trying to do as well. Make you understand the plurals, make you understand what they're doing, what the meanings of these suffixes. And right, moving on. I've got a different iad word here now, beirniad now. I've put this separate because it has a different plural. The other plurals have AU added on, iadau, A-I-A-D-A-U being the full word, ymosodiadau. Ymosodiadau, sorry. Picked a bad one to give an example there. I couldn't say. Beirniad, yeah, so it's slightly different. So the plural is I-A-I-D. Beirniad. So look at the pattern on that. You can only see it by looking at the web lesson. Deb, another ending, D-E-B, not to be confused with E-B, which is feminine. This is D-E-B. This is masculine. Prydlondeb, punctuality. Cytundeb, agreement, treaty, correspondence, contract, settlement, that kind of word. Pact. YD, another ending. I'm going to run out of time here. You'll have to do the story on there yourself as well. So run out of time. Yeah, lots to learn. Ta-ra, see you tomorrow.